Okay, today's video is going to be how to etch an image onto leather, like a photograph or something. I actually used artificial intelligence to generate the photograph, and you can see some of the ones it generated. Once you got your image generated, I went with this one here, took it into Photoshop. I removed the background. This layer above, you can see here how it brings back a lot of detail. All you have to do that is duplicate it twice. On the top one, invert, click vivid light from the drop down, and then filter, blur, Gaussian blur. So you just got a bit of a sketch outline. Control and click the one below, Control and G to group them together, and then change pass through to overlay. And now I'll zoom in again, and you can see if I turn that off and on, how it brings a lot more, contrast and detail. Adjustment layer down the bottom here, and changing the levels, like the mid-tones, I just brightened it up a little bit. File, export as a quick PNG, because you want to keep this as a PNG. From there I go to Imag-r and upload. Pick the one, it was actually this one. You'll see it load, resize, change pixels to inches, change this to the size you want it. I'll just do 6 by 6. My laser works good at 260 dots per inch, so I always stick with 260 dots per inch. Okay. Material, CO2, because mine's a CO2 laser, onto leather. Okay. Now it's regenerated it again. This image is already dithered now, so with that being said, I'll save it as a BMP. Yep, it's saved down here, or it'll be saved in your downloads folder. You just want to drag that and drop it into your lightburn, and there it is now. So is to get your speeds and powers. Really, it's handy if you've got one spare piece to test out on. I mean, I done a test on mine and just changed my speed and powers till I was happy. I ended up with a 400 speed at a 15 power. This is what I put. I'll show 400 speed, 15 maximum, 0 minimum, 260 dots per inch, and then click pass through, because this is already dithered, so you don't want none of these. You want to click this, you'll see that'll switch off. So will this. So now all that's off, and it is using the dithering mode which Imag-r put on there. So okay, and now from there I'm just going to select it and click send, and then over to the laser. Okay, so on the laser you can see I've got a black sheet and a grey sheet there. I ended up with using the grey sheet. Now it's sent over to the laser. It's just file, enter, give it a chance to load, frame it, and then just move your material to the correct place. And then it's time to etch. 400 speed at a 15 power. Quick wipe off just to clean off any bits and pieces left on there. You can see the outcome was quite nice, and this was just a generated image. If you've got a good photograph, you should really get more detail than that. But somebody asked me about the video onto leather, so I just thought I'd make one and show how I done it. So again, thanks very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll put out another video as soon as possible. Thank you.